Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ. I cannot wait to see you for lesson 3 of the video Learning Kung Fu at home. If you want learning Kung Fu, you don't have space. If you have this, that is enough. Alright, so let's start it. So attention and 棒，同学们好。You answer me, 老师好。Alright, so let's start from the sideway. So attention and both hand. Back to your waist, become palm, and step your left. So your right hand rotate, go out and power out. And second hand is same thing, rotate, push palm left. And number 3, the same thing, you push, right? And number 4, just cross your palm like this and come back your waist. If you watch the lesson 1, you know you should to make your palm, all fingers together and tight. Your thumb in like this, so your palm rotate from your waist and rotate out and you push, so the power out outside of your palm. Continue from movement number 1 until number 5. Go 1 right and 2 left and 3 right and 4 cross your palm and come back your waist. And number 5, rotate your finger up and from your waist and double palm. So the double palm supposed to have a double power. From your waist you twist and push, and always put your intention with your movement while you're doing it. So once you do double palm, mean is you're push someone or you push something, right, with your power. You can do it and you did great. Alright, my friend, so follow me from the number 1 until number 6. So 1 right and 2 left and 3 and 4 cross and come back. Number 5 and come back your waist. So this movement you go double palm, finger up and slowly go outside and power up. You look your left side. So this movement just like you learning from the lesson 2, you do double punch. The same thing is take your power from your palm, you go both sides, attack, target, left and right. Imagine a line put you. So the more longer distance you do, the more power you give. You watch this. Go push palm, right? This small, not right. This, that's power. And with your 精气神. So I tell you what is the 精气神 after this week. From the movement number 1 until number 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Come back. And 5. Double power. Come back. And go 7. Very good. Now we go number 6. You come back to waist and twist slow to your right side. And both hands from your waist and twist your finger up and push palm. So this part you put your chest a little bit extend, go lower and forward. Why? Because this can increase the power. So once you go forward and your hand and push both sides, you have more power than just your arm. Now you have more power by move your chest and you go double palm. Come back, twist, rotate finger and go power. Okay, that's great work. So now follow me from number 1 until number 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Come back and 5 and come back and 6 and come back. Twist and 7. You both hands come back and you go number 8. Both hands go up and go top your head. You go up. So your same time your eye to look your hand on the top, protect your hand. So both hands from down, both sides, go up all the way and twist your palm. At the same time go hun, and one more time hun. Right, great. So now follow me from number 1 until number 9. You're learning really quick and I love it. So follow me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Come back your waist and number 7 and come back number 8 and your left hand go to your left side to protect on top your knee and your right hand back to your waist and you go to left side and you go push palm. Right? Number 8, you both hand on the top, right? So you say your right hand and left hand same time go down. Your right hand back to your waist and left hand press on top of your knee, and your right hand from your waist and twist with that power, right? Put the intention, push some chest and push it up and away, right? Remember that. So now we go to movement number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, boom, right? And number 10, you go right palm, go press, and left hand from your waist, and push. That is number 10. So I don't want to talk much, so because that's exactly the same, the number 9. So once you go press this way, and you go push with the power, with your intention, remember that always. Now we go to number 11. Okay, go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So you go 9, push, and 10, push. Your body come back to the center, and your right hand twist, and from down to up, 45 up, 叉子 right? So 再看一遍 from your waist, number 10, and rotate, twist your palm, 45 up to attack someone, shoot, yeah, and that's the intention, right? So 再看一遍 1, 2, shoot. Okay, that's quick. You almost achieve the 15 movement of the combination of your palms today. You're learning quick. You are smart. Follow me. The next and go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11. Okay, now go to 12. So your left hand on top of your right to make a circle, and your right hand make circle, go to right, so make a flat, and continue. Right hand go top, 45, and your left hand go behind, 45. Very important to keep this angle, 45 front, 45 behind, right? So 再看一遍. So from movement 11, so 11, so 11, top, left hand on top to right, go circle, and right hand continue, go 45 up, and right hand behind, like this, 45, straight line. Very good. Follow me for the next move, number 13. For 1 until number 13. Very important. Repeat with the right technique. You will get good kung fu. You're learning from 师傅 JJ. Thank you. Follow me now. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, and 12. Circle, right? And 13. So for 13, the movement, your right hand on top, twist your palm this way, 架掌 to protect your head on the top, and behind the hand to become hook hand. So your fingers together and make it tight and bend just like that hook hand. Hook hand and behind and the left hand on top. And same time your head go high stand. The three things together. So you go 1, 2, 3. One more time. So right hand, left hand, head, three things together. And go. Great. This is number 13. Now we're going to do number 14. Follow me. From the movement number 1 until the movement number 14. Almost you achieve the 15 movement palms combination. And you can do it. And you did great. Follow me now. And go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, and 12, and 13. Okay, number 14. So your left hand slow down, and right hand from top go down mid between, and become palm. Both hands become palm, and twist on top. Alright, so 再看一遍 from the top, and both hands go meet together, and become both hands up. Alright? Great. That is number 14. And you did great. Movement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did everything perfect. Just need one more to achieve today 15 moves of a combination of palms. You can do it. Follow me for the last movement. Achieve the whole combination, the basics of long fist. Let's go now. And go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 15. Both hands. Go back your waist and slowly go up. Right, very nice. From top, and you press down. You press down at the same time. You high step left. Actually, you should to go feet together because we finished. But let's do the movement one last time. So you go 14. 1, 2, 3, and 15. And finished. Great work. So that's the movement number 1 until movement number 15. The combination of the palms of the long fist. Alright, so now follow me to do the whole thing. Repeat with the right technique. You will get good kung fu. And ready, go start. And go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 9, and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 15. Feet together. Hands down and bow. What a great job. Thank you very much to follow me in lesson 3, learning Kung Fu at home. One thing very important in Chinese martial arts called Jing, Qi, Shen. The Jing means essence. Qi, the energy. Shen, spirit. It means improve both sides of physically and mentally to become good martial artist. Learning Kung Fu at home. I see you in the next video. I love you all. Take care. Bye bye.